Hi, I'm Tilla, and I'm going to be singing a cover of Slow Dancing in the Dark. Oh wait, no. Should do that again. Hi guys, I'm Tilla, and I'll be singing a few songs for you guys. I don't want a friend, I want my life into waiting to get there, waiting for you. When I'm around, slow dancing in the dark. Don't follow me, you'll end up in my arms. You don't need no more signs. Can you give me one night? Can you? Give me reasons we should be complete. You should be with him, I can't compete. You looked at me if I was someone else. Can you see? I don't wanna slow dance in the dark. When you wanna run, just hear my voice and you shutting me out. You doing so great. Used to be the one to hold me when I fall. Yeah. I don't mess with your tone. I don't wanna go home. Can you give me one night? Can you? Give me reasons we should be complete. You should be with him, I can't compete. You looked at me if I was someone else. And can you see? I don't wanna slow dance in the Tell me, how do I become whole now that you're gone? Tell me, what are we when you're far away in your town? Started on the right track, thought the time was on our side, but it hit us right back. Had to leave us all behind, by your side till you got in the cab. Now I'm crying on my own and just waiting by the phone. These time zones don't give us the time that we need. I'm waking up, but then you're still asleep. Don't wanna live through the pictures you send, videos of you don't sleep with me in bed. Tell me, how do I become whole now that you're gone? Tell me, what are we when you're far away in your town? We're great together if together in a room. We could talk for hours only if I'm next to you. Tell me what to do till you come back home to me. I don't regret meeting you. If we don't last, I won't blame you. Know that there's always a place to come back to. I don't regret meeting you. If we don't last, I won't blame you. Know that there's always a place to come back to. A place to come back to.